Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely a much kind of quieter day. Quieter in the sense of volume. I mean, on Wednesday, volume was extremely high, and then today you look and it dropped off quite a bit. That doesn't mean that, it's game over or anything. Just saying that it was a much more subdued day. But overall, from the price action point of view, the chart is still working on building higher bases, and that's definitely what you want to see. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level up here to talk about more so what I would call the ideal level of support going forward. You say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? And that would be if the price can stay above 65 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 65, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that 65 cent mark, that would definitely be a big sign of power going forward. Looking at things from more so the overarching point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 65 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is still up above that purple line, the bulls fully own, the big picture trend. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right here in the very near term at the 72 cent mark. And then if 72 cents can be broken, then it's essentially where the price peaked out the past few days, right up there around the 80 cent mark. So 72 and 80, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, like I said, a lot quieter today, but that doesn't mean it was a bad day. Just means it was a consolidation day. And then, like I said, the price is still working on building those overall higher bases. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.